Teams is not a response for everything. Please don't do like everyone and propose Teams for anything. It has some advantages, yes, but it has also a lot of drawbacks. In a collaboration story, I always try to bring my project into 4 phases. In a targeted phase where I work alone, where my files could be on OneDrive or in Outlook. Then I have the inner circle in a project where I can actually draft my idea with the inner circle with a few people, where I can actually use Teams or SharePoint. The outer circle is when the idea is actually becoming an asset and I want to promote this into my team. Well, I could use Yammer or White Teams or even a communication site. And when it's public, well, I can use a public site or even use the portals. So Teams definitely has a place in the collaboration story, but is this a real solution for everything? Well, it's not. And it all depends in which phase you are and what you want to do.